You gotta love standing out from the crowd.
Perfect.
Hello broskis, and welcome back to another edition of Buy or Buy. And if you're new here, I'm Erkin, and this is the life of a broski, where of course I bring you sneakers, lifestyle, and more waffle than Captain Birdseye. And on today's episode, I am reviewing the Nike Air Max 90 worldwide. So broskis, if you are watching this review, you're most likely very similar to me. You're always on a hunt for something different. And whether you like it or not, these are just that. Some people are not gonna like this colorway because it is a bit too different. But for me, in my opinion, sometimes different is better. You gotta love standing out from the crowd. And I think that this sneaker offers just that. Now these actually went pretty much under the radar. There were some announcements on various blog sites, but in terms of their release, it was very quiet. When I posted them on my Instagram, I had a few people hit me up to ask where I got them. Shameless plug, but I will be leaving some affiliate links down below just to help you out if you want to buy a pair. So going around this Air Max 90 worldwide pack, we of course have on the upper those mini swooshes going up the overlays. They do cover the medial and lateral sides, and the variations in color is something that I like. The green and crimson accents on this particular colorway is very eye-catching. Of course, we have those standout laces with worldwide Nike with the Nike swoosh, alongside the Nike worldwide tag on the tongue. There are hints on the overlays of synthetic leather, and of course that iconic mesh toe box. Going towards the heel counter, there is of course that green Nike Air badge at the back. And to top it off is that Nike worldwide crimson tag. We of course have that white Air Max 90 iconic midsole. And to top it off, we have that crimson outsole. So my first glimpse of this sneaker, there are a lot of nice worldwide pack details, but it doesn't go overboard. I very much like, in particular, those mini swooshes, the laces, and of course, the colorway. The green and crimson panels on this sneaker just stand out for the right reasons. And there are some goodies that come in the box. There is a packet that is attached to the laces with the Nike worldwide tag, and inside is a Nike swoosh pin, which you don't see every day. Also, there is that Nike worldwide sticker with the Nike swooshes and a pair of plain black laces. Now in the UK, these retail for around £115. And for me, in my opinion, the worldwide packs when it comes to the Air Maxes are always a nice addition to your collection. They always do something different, very easy on the eye, but they don't overdo it. So when it comes to sizing, this is very much an Air Max 90 in that department. For me, they are true to size. And for Billy at the back, what true to size means is whatever size you normally would wear, go for that. Now when it comes to comfort, does this sneaker offer something different? I'm glad Nike haven't tried to fix something that isn't broken. The Air Max 90 for me is one of the most comfortable Air Maxes on the market. So even though it is the 30th anniversary to the Air Max 90, it has always stuck to its roots. So out of 10, I'm gonna give a 9. Of course, I've spoken about it before, but when it comes to the Air Max 90s, the most comfortable pairs I have ever tried on have been from the OG pack. The chunkier feel to that pack, alongside the lighter and breathable materials, just make them a lot more comfortable. But this is not far behind, and that goes the same with breathability. Even though these have the synthetic leather materials on the upper, it doesn't hold it back. Those panels aren't as thick as some other Air Maxes that include it. So out of 10 for breathability and 8.5. So broskis, overall, is this sneaker a buy or a buy. So I know what some of you are thinking. Why should I dish out £115 for a sneaker that has been out for years? And even though the Air Max 90 is older than me, I'm always looking for a pair that stands out. And this sneaker hits the nail on the head. The green and crimson accents just go very well with the black and the white panels on this sneaker, alongside those mini swooshes, and of course the worldwide pack branding to the laces and the tongue. So broskies, overall, I'm gonna give these a buy. I'm kind of happy that these went under the radar, because when there's so much hype about a new Air Max, they just go like that. It is so hard to pick them up for retail. But broskies, let me know what you think. Does this worldwide pack to the Air Max 90 do enough for you? Are you a fan of the Air Max 90 in general, or are these a total miss from you? Leave your comments down below, and of course I will be pinning the best one. And broskies, I know that I did make an Air Max 90 collection video, but by the time I finished editing, these came a little bit too late. But I will leave a link in the description box for that collection video, or a card up here. Anyways broskies, that's enough from me. I do hope you liked this video, and as always, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. And of course, until the next episode, take care.